Welcome to Lesson 9, Conditionals. Learn to make decisions in your scripts. Let us begin. If checks a condition and branches. Elif adds more checks after the first. Else runs when nothing matches. Double brackets are the modern test syntax. Let us create a grade checker script. Echo -n prompts for a score. If score is 90 or above, grade is A. elif checks each threshold in order. Else catches anything below 60. Let us review with bat. We enter 85 to test the B range. Score 85 correctly maps to grade B. Tests compare strings and numbers. -n checks for non-empty strings. Numeric tests use -gt and lieutenant. -z checks for an empty string. Let us test strings and numbers. We set name to Alice and an empty variable. -n confirms name is not empty. -z confirms empty var has no value. Double equals checks exact string match. Now numeric tests with age and limit. Let us review the complete script. All 5 tests pass as expected. File tests check paths on disk. -f tests for a regular file. -d checks for a directory. Combine tests with double ampersand. Let us create a file checking script. The target defaults to etc. hosts. -e checks if the path exists. -f and -d tell file from directory. -r checks read permission. $& combines two conditions. Let us review, then test with two paths. Etc. hosts is a readable file. Etc. is a directory, not a regular file. Case matches a value against patterns. Each branch ends with double semicolons. Pipe separates multiple patterns. Star catches any unmatched value. Let us create a system info menu. We print 4 numbered options. Read captures the user choice. Case matches each number to an action. $hostname and $user are built in. The pipe lets Q or Q both match. Star catches any invalid input. Let us review, then run the menu. Option 1 prints the hostname. Option Q prints goodbye and exits. Let us recap Lesson 9. If, elif, else for branching. Test operators compare values. File tests check paths and permissions. Next, loops and iteration. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for new lesson alerts. See you in the next one.